Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple, and I'm not on the Kettler Creek farm today. So where do you go when you need a part for a nearly 70-year-old John Deere track machine? Hey, I think I've come to the right place. I'm going to take a business card here from R.S. Dier and Sons, used John Deere specialist since 1971. I just had to visit. Well, for a couple of reasons. One, really curious about what all happens here. And number two, I need to pick up a part today. Stay tuned. Well, here I am with Ted Dier of Robert S. Dier and Sons, and been in the John Deere business since
1971. Yeah,
that's crazy.
Collecting and fixing and selling older John Deere 2-cylinders and 350, 450s and all that good old stuff. So.
And you were telling me that your dad had formerly sold.
Yep, the little 420s and that back when they were new. Back
Wow.
in the late 50s. Yeah. I worked for the John Deere here for 14 years, the local dealership. Ivan Carmichael it was called at the time. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. And wow, so you've been just a magnet
Collecting, yeah.
440s, 420s.
Yeah.
You said the back
1010,
there,
yeah.
1010 back there.
Yeah.
And you ship.
All over Canada, a little bit to the States, but mostly we keep it all in Canada. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also 350s and 450s. I was looking over here.
Set of wide tracks and off of 450. Transmission off of 450s. All kinds of transmissions, engines, blocks and pieces. We even do, there's an old 510 German farm tractor. So we have
wow.
parts for the 510 and the 710. Yeah. We do sell, you just can't get that kind of parts anymore. So
Yeah.
it's good to
So quite a need
collect
for
when you
them.
can. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I've got to tell the audience that Ted bailed me out with the first 440 that I had. The shifter lever was broken, and I like a machine to look complete, and I needed a shift knob, and so that's where I first reached out to you.
That's right.
And I'm here today to pick up a rear sprocket for the 440 dozer. But back to Ted's operation, you were saying that there's a whole nother yard in town.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
And we have trailers. We have a large shop that's 3 floors of old parts just stored away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
all John Deere.
I just had to come and meet Ted for myself on our travels out to Newfoundland. We're passing through Ontario, so we took a little bit of a detour, not much, but just had to meet Ted in person. And wow, I have a strong sense, Ted, that I'll be reaching out frequently.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad
thank you. Thank you for taking the time.
No problem.
There you have it.